This is the story of the witch's Christmas.
I'm the witch.
I'm the boy.
I'm the penguin. I'm the rabbit.
And I'm the elephant.
There'll come a part in this play when we need you to participate. She's going to cast a magic spell. It goes, can you say it with me? Alakazam.
Alakazam.
Alakazee.
Alakazee.
If this spell works, everyone will like me.
If this spell works, everyone will like me.
Now that's great. Can we try it one more time?
Alakazam.
Alakazam.
Alakazee. If this spell works, everyone will like me.
That's great, kids. Don't forget to do that in the show. This is the witch's Christmas.
Oh, wow.
Oh, okay.
I'm so glad Christmas is almost here. I've been wrapping presents for my family, my friends, and even my dog.
It's a witch!
Out of here!
Children today have such bad manners. I don't know what the world is coming to.
Holy, we sure have a lot to do before Christmas. First, we need to practice our special song. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the hills we go, laughing all the way. Ah! A witch! I'm staying out of her way.
Oh boy, Christmas is nearly here. I'm hoping someone gives me a Christmas present this year. Where's my present? Oh no, it's a witch! Yikes, I'm staying out of her way.
What? I can't figure out why everyone's so afraid of me. Really nice witch. Oh, I wish everyone liked me. Oh, I got an idea. I'll cast a spell on the whole world. Everyone will like me. My spell will be more powerful if you all help me, will you? Okay.
That'd be
Repeat
great.
these words after me. Alakazam.
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 This spell works. Everyone will like me.
If this spell works, everyone will like me.
I am so sure that spell works now. Let's try it out. Oh, there's a little boy. Hello, little boy. Maybe this spell doesn't work on people. I think I'll try an animal this time. Wait, what's that? Oh, it's a rabbit and a penguin. Hello, rabbit and penguin. Hey.
Ah, witch! Help! Oh no!
Oh, I know the magic spell didn't work at all. No one likes me. I can't even cast a spell.
It sounds like someone's crying. It's that witch. Why are you crying?
Oh, well, no one likes me. I tried to cast a spell in the world, but it didn't work.
Well, witch, you can't make somebody like you. Friendships don't happen that way.
How do they work?
Well, I don't really know exactly, but I do know that friendships take time to grow. I don't have a lot of friends, but I keep trying.
Well, at least you didn't run away from me the second time you saw me.
Of course not. You seemed unhappy, and I wanted to help you. Hey, I've got an idea. Something that can help both of us. Would you like to wrap some Christmas presents with me?
Oh, that sounds fun, yes.
Christmas presents for all the people and animals who are afraid of you now. That way, they'll know that you're the nice and not the nasty kind that they read about in stories.
Oh, that's a wonderful idea. Hey, look, you can come to my house. I'm sure I have some tape, some wrapping paper, all the stuff I can use. Oh, maybe our spell worked, guys. Hey, goodbye. Looks like we're going to have a very Christmas year after all. Hope you do too.
Well, goodbye and Merry Christmas. Bye.
Oh, God. Man, we're done.